educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Sunday, July the 19th. My cannons are jumping, boy. These kids gotta be easy 8 foot tall here. Much taller than my other patch over there. Much taller. Whew. Looks like my damn sumac getting ready to go in the flower. Whew. Hummingbirds love these babies. Whew. Little quick garden update here. I'm not going to feed today. Got more thunderstorms rolling in this afternoon. Tomorrow's supposed to be 81 for the high and no rain in the forecast. So we're going to give a feed then. I'm going to cow mag them this morning and call it done. Man, I thought that this that soil, some of these pots got soil from the damn woods. I thought that soil was the problem with all the plants on the end looking like hell. But look, man, this goddamn jalapeno is pumping and jumping. Was gonna IPM tonight, but that's gonna have to wait until tomorrow night. Yeah, I think the damn, look at my cassava. Cassava is rocking, baby. I'm gonna get me some cassava French fries, hell or high water. Okra's pumping. Everything that's over here in a more shaded area is doing a hell of a lot better than everything on the other end that gets the intense light. I think we're getting a whole lot more radiation coming through our ozone layer than usual. Caterpillars are pretty much on. This one here might have a couple. Pretty much got the caterpillars under control. Yep, there's one. Little son of a bitch. See ya. But yeah, I'm gonna IP him again tomorrow. This is the worst one. The other two over there are looking good, but these inner heads ain't all eat up. So IP him again tomorrow. Still got dead pots, but look, everything down here that gets that direct light. These fucking tomato plants. I'm gonna rip these summits out. This is the worst goddamn things I ever had. All the blooms are dying on these things. I don't know whether it's just the damn genetics from the goddamn shitty ass place I got these from. They come from this green pepper definitely looking hungry and needs fed, but it's pumping out some decent green peppers. I still don't like this variety. They're more elongated type bell peppers than I like the big short round ones so I can stuff them. Man, I just fucking failed on picking damn plants out this spring. There's my little auto. I don't know how old that damn thing is, but she's in fairly decent shape. But I'm gonna move her too, and I'm gonna get her more in the shade. Dead pots. Shitty tomato plants, man. I don't know what the hell is going on with these things. I think they're just shit genetics. Something. Wherever nursery they come from, I don't know if a damn. Same thing with this bell pepper over here. It's like the light just beating the hell out of them or something. I have no clue. Same bell peppers as a little further down. I just don't know. My garden is sucking this year, Grummy. Sucking! I'm gonna order me a 60% shade cloth for my canopy here. I just popped 6 of my crosses. Well, 5 of my crosses and one of Orr's crazy girls. That one's trying. The last one is trying. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I dug him around a little bit and found some springtails down in there, so they might just eat him up. I hope not. But yeah, we got 5 up. I'm gonna order me a damn shade cloth, and I might be able to get my little experiment going on this summer instead of waiting for next year. I'm gonna go with a 60% shade cloth, and once they finish stretch into hard flour, I'm gonna go with a 30% red shade cloth. And we're gonna try it out, see what happens. Moving on along. Woo. I feed on my damn animals. Still gotta water all these kids up, even though it's going to rain tonight. Charlie Brown, I should have brought my tape out. Charlie Brown looking a little thirsty. Not too bad. Still praying. Praying away. Fucking June bug. Japanese beetle. Not June bug. This is a dead one. Oh, motherfuckers. Bugs around here will take you away, man. Jurassic here in the east coast of good old Virginia. Fucking Jurassic. Blueberry looking good, though. Miss K's Rockin' Miller Haze is rocking. She busting on through that second canopy like nobody's business. Yes, indeedy. Looking good in the neighborhood. Whew. And then we got calves. Peyote Farm. I figured that this one is gonna be my most problem later on. This bitch is gonna be big fucking colas. Big colas. Gonna be big colas. In my environment, big colas can become a serious issue in a hurry. They're coming on up through the second deck too. Pawpaw gonna have his hands full here for long. I promise you. Oh, let's see what the hell. See if we got any bug damage here. And her head's looking all right. Wish my head was looking all right. I'm cuties. Yeah, everybody needs a feed this morning. I mean, they'll get a feed tomorrow. But yeah, them inside heads look all right now. Pretty much got the caterpillars under control for the moment. And I am going to IPM tomorrow night. Give everything a feed tomorrow night. I did see if I see any more. I picked a couple of leaves off this peyote form yesterday. It had a little powdery mildew. And that's the okay. Fatbuds is gonna get them straight. Whew. Gonna be more warmish today. 81 tomorrow. I'll take it. It's been smoking around this camp. Whew. Butterfly bush fucking blooming away. That damn tree there is a powdery mildew monster. Probably got powdery mildew on the bottom right now. Let's take a quick look. A little bit, not as much as usual. I did Dr. Zymes this damn thing a while back. I don't know what kind of damn tree this is. Beautiful little flowers. Not as much PM as it was the last time. Old Dr. Zymes helped her out a little bit. I'd like to find out if these flowers are edible. That'd be a cool thing to know. Whew. Okay, dokie. Have a fantastic day, my friend. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you much. I'm out of here. Peace.